you wanted to get outside. A couple clouds were out there with us. We still have clouds being picked up on satellite, but no rain. The rain is something that really would be a beautiful thing if we could get it in our area. Tomorrow, we have a chance for it, but again, it's low. We have those winds that are coming in from the west. They will be turning more breezy as we move into tomorrow, and that is really going to increase our fire danger, especially leading into Tuesday when we have dew points that will drop down a little bit. Here's a live look outside, currently 79 in Tampa as well as St. Pete. Clearwater a little cooler at 73, nice and comfortable with that extra cloud cover and those winds that are coming in from the west northwest. Marine forecast, so right now seas are between 2 to 4 feet, but they will be increasing those winds as we enter into tomorrow. And there is a small craft advisory that really goes into effect and is in effect for tomorrow as well. Some places will have that small craft advisory extended into Tuesday morning as those winds will be on the breezier side. But for tonight, beautiful night out there. Temperature is going to step down into the low 70s, closer to 11 o'clock tonight. Tomorrow morning, we wake up with marks in the mid to upper 60s. We do. I wish we could just squeeze out the atmosphere and get every little drop, but the atmosphere is just too dry to produce any rain on top of Florida at this time. Now, there are some showers out there, but you have to be on the other side of the state. The East Coast has been receiving rain. You see that little trough there, or an elongated area of low pressure. That's producing a little bit of rain. But what about us here in Tampa Bay? Yeah, we have nothing. And that's with a front that's draped over our area. That front will be sweeping through in the overnight hours. It may provide a little bit of rain as we move into tomorrow. Sarasota, you guys could see some showers closer to Bradenton, but that's about it. And that's as that front is passing by. Now, we will get some breezier conditions out of this, and dew points will drop. But that's not good because with it being so dry, and those breezy winds and those lower dew points, that means that our fire risk does start to increase. So looking at our future cast here, there goes that front. This is tomorrow, 6:30 in the morning, and we're seeing nothing. Just a couple clouds out there. Winds will start changing direction a bit. Again, looks like the best opportunity to see that rain would be closer to I-95 on the other coast. They have really been lucky this year with the rainfall, even though they are still in a drought as well. Notice this is at lunchtime tomorrow. We do have a little bit of green on Futurecast there. It is mainly across Manatee and Sarasota County. Now, that's not a guarantee it's going to rain, but again, as that front passes through, we could get a shower or two, but it would be very limited. So if you do see those showers tomorrow, consider yourself lucky. As we enter into about 4 o'clock tomorrow, we're dry. So that's basically it for this front. Here's the expected rainfall over the next several days. Again, tomorrow, 10% chance or less. Most of that will be for the southern end of the state. As we look at expected rainfall the next several days, you can see Thursday and Friday, we have another shot, but it is on the lower side. So that's what we're working with. Forecast winds tomorrow morning. This is at 7:30. I have this paused at. We will have wind gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. So it will be a breezy day. And those gusts remain that way through the afternoon. So this is 12:30 tomorrow. If you joined us at the start of the show, I mentioned how we have a small craft advisory that's in effect, going into effect tonight and lasts until tomorrow. Some areas may even see that small craft advisory into Tuesday morning just because it will be just as breezy. So here we are tomorrow afternoon. Let's go forward a little bit more. Monday night, we still have sustained speeds 10 to 15 miles per hour and occasional gusts 20 miles per hour by almost 11 o'clock tomorrow night. So what we're getting out of this, a nice benefit for feeling. We have low dew points, but again, those low dew points also go hand in hand with that fire danger. Whenever we have that lower humidity plus those breezy winds, fires can start and spread very easily. You can imagine how dry those fuels are since we've had the lack of rainfall and those drought conditions that are ongoing. Temperatures right now, lower 80s. We have some mid 70s out there, feeling nice in Clearwater at 73, Newport Richey at 75. Going into tonight, temperatures will drop down to 68, but we really don't hit that mark until about sunrise tomorrow morning, and that's pretty mild. And for tomorrow, 84 for that daytime high, and that's with a mix of clouds, and again, that very limited chance for a shower. 7-day forecast here. You see temperatures remain warmer than average, but might as well just have that dry weather. Enjoy it while it's here. I know it can be a little bit warm at times. Temperatures are running slightly above average by a few degrees. Hey, look at this. The pier is looking just gorgeous, much quieter right now. A couple folks strolling out there as we speak. Now that we're at 11 o'clock at night, temperature is still 76. That's a nice temperature. We have dew points that will be dropping, so lower humidity as we go into this week. But the problem with that is, well, the lack of rain, so that increases our fire risk. Satellite radar showing those dry conditions. We could see a few showers move on by for tomorrow. That's because we have a weaker front that's moving through our region as we speak. So wake up weather. We will have those clouds out there just as we did for today. Temperatures starting off in the upper 60s by 10 a.m. We're back in the mid 70s, basically how we feel right now. And as far as those rain chances go, very low for the week ahead.
Developing news tonight.